All right, going for 38. All right, so we'll have that wheel to the right and then reverse. And then start to bring that wheel to the left because we're going to start cutting over too much, and you're going to be aiming directly back for almost that 38 sign, and then we're going to start to cut off. So right where your wheel's at, reverse. There you go. All right, neutral. And then start to bring that wheel to the right and then kick it in. There you go. Neutral. Bring that wheel back to the right. Reverse. All right. Neutral. Bring the wheel to the left, take it forward to kick that back around. All right, neutral. And then reverse with the wheel slightly straight. There you go. You're coming in beautifully. Neutral. And then turn the wheel to the right and then kick it in reverse real quick. Neutral. Turn your wheel straight. All right, and then just kick it in forward real quick just to stop yourself. And boom, that's a docked boat. How'd you feel on that one? That was good. That looked really good.